I feel with money, hustling, hustle money. I feel with money, hustling, hustle money. Love letter to me money. I'm pulling in at work right now.
What you would not do if your best friend, girlfriend show up on your yard? But I call my best friend, nigga, and tell my best friend, say my girlfriend there on my yard. What kind of blood clot frigid song them people there make? Yo, listen man, that music industry, this music industry and them people where push the kind of agenda here. What you would have do? What you would have do if your best friend, girlfriend show up on your yard? Yo, what you do on my yard? Where you do me yard? I'm a brethren, I'm a real blood clot brethren. From when and when him done fuck you and left you, me and him still a got be brethren. So where you a do at my yard? Me a call my Linky and tell me Linky say, yo dog, come get a girl, she be at my yard. A real thing that a Souflotv people we up out of here. Yo, keep it real 100%, man. I don't say nothing.
Personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Houston Continental Airport.
This one gonna hurt a lot of feelings, man. Check this out. A lot of you women that's single, you deserve to be single. You can't keep no man over there talking about Jesus the only man you need. Jesus the only man you need because he the only man you can't see to disrespect. If you was able to see Jesus every day, you would disrespect his ass too. Oh, sorry ass. And you want somebody to give you a reward for being a single mother. You made yourself a single mother. Sacrificing them children, running away their daddy. Oh, weak ass females. There's good men out here. Stop running them away and let good men take care of their children. Snapping this morning. This Souflotv, man. I'm out here trying to motivate people, man. Listen, that work hard, play hard, that ain't no joke. If you really work hard, you can really actually play hard. Check it out. I said it before, I'm gonna say it again. If half you niggas spend half the time actually working for half of the shit that you say you have, you will probably actually really have half of the shit that you're trying to convince people that you do have. All right? I just came back from 5 days in Miami. I'm back in Texas right now on my way to that 9 to 5. I understand everybody don't work a 9 to 5, but set your goals, homie. Set your goals and reach them. I put up a goal. I said I wanted 10,000 subscribers to my channel before I went to Miami on vacation. While I was in Miami, my shit hit 11,100. I said I wanted $10,000 before I left for Miami. Actually, I said I wanted 5 G's before I left for Miami. I ended up making 10. So I'm just out here trying to motivate people and let them know that hard work does pay off. Know what I mean? We ain't got to go no illegal route and we ain't have to do no bullshit to survive. Get up and get on your grind. If you young, strike that iron while the iron's hot. That's what my grandparents told me. And get it, man. It's Souflotv. I'm up out of here. Peace. Morning motivation. You know how we do already, man. It's Souflotv. I'm up out of here. Thanks for staying loyal to the channel. My eye them red on me. I going at people them job. Watch out. Bumble clock. Miami mash me up. But the vacation did good though. Alright? Hang in there. Hold out. If you're a Souflotv subscriber, big up yourself every time. You see the people that want to know about Souflotv at YouTube, you're lost. Go and check it out. See it there? So right now, everybody, I say, Souflotv, do something for Marvin the dancer.
and how Marvin the dancer treat the girl them in the dancehall. Check this out. Marvin now do nothing to the girl them where the girl them don't want Marvin do to them. A big woman them. And them choose. Them go in there and pose up themselves and want the man do them things that to them. So when me have to talk about, me don't have nothing to say nothing about that. Yo, people need to stop blame man, you know. Because the man in there doing things just like how we give these single mothers credit for being a single mother, but nobody now tell them about the whole heap of man where them go fuck off and choose all the wrong man. And now them have one bag of picnic with for man where not even their own to support the youth them. The girl them go in there and want the man treat them like that. So the man treat them like that. What more do you want people to say? What more do you want people to say? I saw the thing set up. I saw the thing set. The woman them want it and the man give them what them want. It's supply and demand. A Souflotv with there.
Hey man, I guess we live in a world of fake people. Check this out. I don't know how to be fake. Only one way I know how to be is real. Okay? If most of y'all spend half the time actually working at being successful instead of pretending to be successful, you would actually have half the shit you wish you had. You actually have half the shit that you pretend to have. Get your ass up and get out and go get something, man. Talk, don't do nothing. It's action all day. Alright, it's Souflotv, man. I'm up out of here. Peace!
Yo, people, me just wake up. Check this out. I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Go check out Vibes Cartel Viva page with I'll take you there shot. Alright?